Okay, I moved the camera back a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't show my face, so this video ain't going on. This here is my hot air station. Truthfully, I've never used one. Oh, so warning, make sure that you have connected the heat gun handle and soldering iron to the station before turning it on. It's a sticker, so I don't know if that's supposed to go on it. Instruction manual, card, I do good. I have no idea what that says. Oh, do I have? Oh no, that's right. It comes with an extra, I think, which tells me it's probably pretty cheaply made. I mean, it's Chinese stuff, and it's not like they can't make good products. They do have some good products, but I don't know what that is, and once I read this user's manual, I'll find out. Some tweezers will be nice, both curved and pointed tip. Ooh, nice and sharp. Might just use those to test my blood sugar. Okay, I'm just kidding. Tips, and I'll put a description of the size tips they have at the bottom, and the model and everything. I guess that's for hanging it up. I have lots of these, so I'll tell you what. I have enough of these that I'll do a giveaway this video. I'll give you one of these. It's not in the wrapper like that, well, but actually I like this one better than the ones I have, so. But I'm going to give you one of the other ones I have. And they're good. That's a solder sucker. So, here's how I'm going to do the giveaway. First person who joins, I already ripped this bag, and says that they want a solder sucker will get one of my soldering suckers from the other products I have. This is your airflow. I'm sure that's the temperature. Fahrenheit, centigrade. That's nice. I'm going to try to learn to use centigrade. I'm more, you know, here in America we tend to use Fahrenheit. I like that it has the fuse. That makes it nice. I'm going to have to check my thing I got earlier. My power supply. In fact, let me bring that down. Check it real quick. I'm not going to bring it down. Yes, it has a fuse too. I will say that is a nice feature to have fuses on it. It's a nice safety feature. I'll have to screw this on. I'm not doing stuff without reading the owner's manual. Not that it's hard. I take the screws off, put new ones on. But I don't have a screwdriver yet. But next video I will. So that'll go on there to hold my mess that I'm making. Here we go. This, which of course screws in right here. I don't really, hopefully this doesn't get hot here, but it's not the most comfortable to use. Got a little couple points you got to line up and twist, and that locks that on. Let me get an old damaged board real quick. I have one somewhere. I don't need a board. I'm not really taking anything off. I'm just I don't know if it's what angle I'm supposed to use. I'll have to watch some videos and actually learn how to use this. Because I've never used one like it. Say, I'm not going to take that chip off that Uno. That's a good Uno. But I am happy with it so far. We'll see how it works. A little uncomfortable, like I say. I actually wanted this in white, but I forgot to change it when I ordered. So I got black, and I'll deal with it. Some of my other stuff's black, so it's not like it's a big deal. And I'm definitely not an interior decorator, so it doesn't matter. My wife wants to be. In fact, I'm going to send her to decorating school when we get back on our feet. That'll be nice for gripping. I can see me being able to grip with that. I don't want to grab an actual circuit right now, scratch my board, but that'll be nice. Once I learn to use it, we'll learn it together. So, that's that. I'll put the information for it down below. I'm not even going to try to pronounce some of these names. Yeah, no. So, that's it for the unboxing of that. I'll put the name in the description. And like I say, we're doing a giveaway. Let me get the actual one I'll give away. This is going to be put, oh, it's about the same. No, it's not. Well, it's got a little difference. But I'll be giving one of these away. So, first person to subscribe that's non-related, not a friend, that I've never met, that says, hey, I want that, gets this. I will mail it within the United States for free. If you're out of country, I'm not going to tell you can't get it, but you're going to have to figure out the extra cost of mailing. So, this is Ditto out.